Small activity, dosto. Today, learn the names of 5 people you usually greet without using their names. List, learn the names of 5 people. 5 people, or at least 2 members. At least 2 member names. Better to just learn. Better to learn at least 2 members. You usually greet without using their names. Security guard is there. Security guard is there. Receptionist is there. Office assistant is there. Okay, shopkeeper, bus driver, like whoever. Like today morning, just while coming from my community, in the main gate, security, there is a new person is there. Of course, old person only, but long time onwards I didn't see. Then just 1 minute, just I waited there at my main gate. I asked her, అన్నా చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత చూస్తున్నాను సార్ తెలుగు మాలూమ్ నా హిందీ अरे बहुत दिन बाद में देखा ये समथिंग लाइक भाई थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी आई हाँ गाँव गाँव गया सर किधर योर गाँव लाइक बिहार ओके व्हाट योर नेम लाइक हाँ नरेंद्र कुमार my name is Narendra Kumar exact name today morning only this was happened Narendra Kumar like hey in Telugu there is a hero name man Narendra Nagendra Kumar like there is a hero name man NagoorBabu like hero name you kept like he smiled. Next time whenever I'm coming, hey Nagendra Bhaiya, how are you? If I use then obviously can you please observe that the Rapport? Okay, whoever you are going to meet, man, compulsory know their name and next time call by name. That's a good programming practice. At least your security guard, receptionist, office assistant, shopkeeper, bus driver like that. Whenever someone introduces themselves, repeat their name 3 times minimum during the conversation. Repeat their name 3 times during the conversation so that you never going to forget. You never going to forget. Okay. So tomorrow morning, greet at least 5 people by their names and observe the reaction. Okay. Name is that much powerful. Great teachers remember the student names. Great salesmen remember the customer names. Okay. Great businesses are built on remembering people.
Yes.
So this is the most valuable things, dosto.